Hi, Dr. Scott here again from Advanced Physical Medicine right here in Gilbert, Arizona. And I'd like to talk to you about one of our service centers that we have here known as PRP. This stands for Platelet-Rich Plasma. Now we use PRP for people that are coming into us that are suffering from knee pain, shoulder pain, hip pain, any type of joint pain whatsoever, as well as into the muscles. This is a procedure that simply draws your blood, we spin it down in a centrifuge, and after 10 minutes we are left at the top of the tube with all this plasma. Now why that's important is the plasma is what we're going to inject right back into your own body. So it's bioidentical because it's your own blood. The reason this works so well is in your own plasma, when we concentrate it, we can include things like your own stem cells, collagen, amino acids, all the growth factors and cells that help heal the body concentrated into one injection. So if you're looking for more of a natural, holistic approach to joint pain instead of dangerous and drug addictive side effects from medication, give us a call at 480-632-0177, and Advanced Physical Medicine will do our best to help you holistically recover from the joint issues that you're having using something like PRP.